Today we're gonna make 2-ingredient ice cream, except I lied and we're gonna make 4-ingredient ice cream because I know you have a lot of coffee left from doing that TikTok dalgona challenge, so here's another way to use it up because I'm sure you're sick and tired of that. So we're gonna start off with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have mine over a burner right now because we're gonna flavor ours. If you don't care about flavor and you're a vanilla person, then you just skip all of this, just forward right now. We're starting off with this here until it comes up to a simmer. So what a simmer means is that there are little bubbles on the edges of the thingy. Yes, you see the bubbles? We don't want it to boil. Boil means when there's bubbles everywhere. And keep an eye on this because this tends to form a skin. You just peel it off like a bad sunburn. It's very gross. Don't let it get there. My thing is bubbling, a little too much actually. We're gonna turn it down. I got some coffee. You can use instant coffee, you can use non-instant coffee. Frankly, I don't know the difference. We're gonna pour this in right now. Delicious. So we're gonna wait for that to steep a little bit, and then when everything turns nice and brown and delicious looking, look how delicious this looks. When it looks delicious looking a little bit more, and take it off the heat, let it cool down, strain it into a bowl, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge to get cold again. Again, if you're not doing the flavoring thing, skip right ahead and start off with your fridge cold heavy whipping cream. See you in a few hours. So the whipped cream has come out of the fridge and it's super cold now. Again, if you're not doing any coffee flavor, you can just start off with fridge cold heavy whipping cream to begin with. So this is nice and chilly, and now what we're gonna do is show some BDSM love and whip it. Okay, so now we've whipped it good. We have stiff peaks, so that's when you lift up your whisk, everything is standing up straight and nothing's drooping over. So we are good here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get ready to introduce our next ingredient, which is sweetened condensed milk. So the thing about heavy whipping cream is that it's a little bit prejudiced and it doesn't like to mix with people that aren't just like them. So what we're gonna try to do is trick it a little bit, and we're gonna assimilate this sweetened condensed milk that we have into the heavy whipping cream. So the way that we do that is we take a little bit of the heavy whipping cream out that we just frothed together, and we're gonna kind of mix that into the condensed milk. So you don't need to be too gentle here. We're basically just trying to make a homogeneous mixture right now that we're gonna introduce into the heavy whipping cream in just a sec. So we got these two becoming nice buddies, pals, biffles. Wow, look at that. Diarrhea. All right, so now that our condensed milk and our coffee cream are nice good old buddies, we're gonna pour this new mixture back into our heavy whipping cream. Oh yeah. And now the next thing we're gonna do is a method called folding. And so that's when you wanna be very gentle, like you're tucking your baby into bed. And you just go around the bowl and then you fold. You go around the bowl and then you fold. And you just keep doing that over and over until everything looks well combined, or until your arm falls off, whichever happens first. And this is also the stage where you can start adding any of your fun ingredients that you want. So you can crush up some Oreos, some M&Ms, some strawberries. I'm gonna use some chocolate chips today. You can do whatever you want. Just remember that you should probably cut up whatever you're using into pretty small pieces, because once this freezes, it becomes pretty much lethal for your teeth. So if you don't have dental insurance, don't put anything big in there. Excellent. So now that we've got this lush mixture, you could either eat it with a spoon right now if you're impatient, or if you actually want ice cream, you can put it into a freezer-safe container and stick it in the freezer for a few hours until it's set. And so I'll see you when it's done.